Old picture of you or bad luck for 2 years Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I'll show you how you can do a story with this add your sticker and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you'll have to click on that search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. And now from this place, you will have to go to November Add Yours at Highlights, which is here. Now you have to tap until you find your desired sticker. As you can see here, I have lots of them. You can check out my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the Add Yours button. And if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, you can find in the description box below a tutorial, a link to a YouTube video which will help you solve your problem. Also at the end of the video, I will show you from where you can find it from the Instagram app. So now you can go to your uploads and choose an old photo of you. I will go with this photo right here. It's an old photo of me. You can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and then you just have to share this with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, Olania John YTT, but this time you will have to go to Super Viral at Highlights, which is here. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on Add Yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can comment down below your questions, your thoughts. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.